Hi guys, in this video we will see how to run printer troubleshoot in Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing in your system printer not working properly, then here you can easily run Windows 11 inbuilt tool printer troubleshooter. To do so, right click on start button and choose settings, and here go to system from the left side. Thereafter go to right side and here look for the option troubleshoot. This is an Windows inbuilt tool and you must apply as initial workaround to fix if your printer not working properly. Choose other troubleshooters and here you will find printer troubleshoot. Click on run button against printer troubleshooters. A new window will open. Here follow on a screen instruction to complete the printer troubleshooting process and wait for some times. Searching for self-help articles and scroll down and printer troubleshooters. Follow direction as given in this page. We have your consent to proceed with the diagnostics and try? Choose yes. Here, turn off your printer and unplug its power cable. Wait 30 seconds. Plug your printer back in and turn the printer back on and restart Windows. First, follow these 4 steps one by one. And after that, do this problem solve. If yes, then choose yes. Otherwise, choose no. Printer troubleshoot will diagnose another workaround and checking for installed printers, checking for a spooler service errors, checking for a spooler services, checking a spooler services a status. So Windows will now diagnose your printer in another ways. Follow on-screen instruction to complete the process and it will definitely be resolved. That's all.